recap. Coming southbound, goes off the road twice. When he turns into Lake Hills Plaza, hops the curb, I light him up, pulls in here. As I approach passenger side, you hear the ding, 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 ding. When you got here, that's when I asked him to step out. That gun was in the pocket in plain view. I asked him if he had a CCW. He said he does not. And then the rest is you. And there was 4 open containers found, and then 6 more, I think, in the... How's it going, guys?
Good. My birthday.
It's your birthday?
It is.
Okay. How much you guys had to drink tonight?
Had about 4.
4? Okay. You have your license registration?
Why'd you pull him over?
A couple things. There's been multiple times where he's veered off to the right.
My steering is very bad.
Okay, yeah. So that's why I got...
I'll show you. I'm just reaching back.
Yep, you're fine.
I got an upper A-arm for my truck.
Why do you so hot, though? You're kind of hot.
I got upper A-arms for my truck.
Okay.
Because my steering's pretty bad for my truck. I'm sorry, man.
No worries, brother. They ran off the road like 2-3 times. They hopped the curb when they turn in here. And then when I got up on my passenger side, all you hear is the beer box. Ding, 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 ding. Or she is trying to hide them. And then, so that's where they're coming from, the 44 crossroads. You mind stepping out real quick so I can talk to you, brother? No knives on you like that? Just don't grab the gun.
My gun's right there.
Okay, you have a CCW?
No.
Okay. Alright, step over here. Hey, Coy. There's a 0. How many beers you got open? 4. Let me grab them.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
I appreciate that.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to.
I appreciate that. Don't worry, you ain't in trouble. What do you think? One's a little still, but I think so they were trying to.
My people.
Okay. Yeah. From construction or something?
I got a cut in my eye, so I got 3 stitches in my pupil.
Okay. All right. Well, can you still see normally?
From here over, I can't really see that well. It's blurry, but...
Okay. So look at me straight. Can you see my hand?
Yeah.
Okay. How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
3? Okay. All right. Pardon?
I did 1 Saturday.
So I was just checking your eyes for that one.
Is that good?
Yeah. So with these exercises, they're not a pass.
I'm not trying to talk shit, like...
No, you're all good, man. With these,
like you're getting just past the first one, right?
so with these, they're not a pass or fail, man. So these are exercises to see if you're able to drive. And
I'm trying to go home, man.
I understand, man. But we want to get you home safely. Well, that tape's not going to work. I understand. How old's your daughter? 2?
She is behind the 50.
Okay.
She gives my heart and soul.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stand on this line with our left foot in front.
I can do it.
All right, hold on. I'm getting my paperwork. You don't wear contacts, do you?
Supposed to on the left eye.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna put our left foot on the line with your right heel against the toe of your left foot. All right, so left foot on the line, right foot right in front of it. Yep, and we're gonna take your hands out of your pockets and put your hands down by your side. All right, and we're gonna stay like that until I tell you to do so, okay? Would you say that this line is pretty straight? That seam in the concrete? Okay. We gotta get right back in that position. So left foot.
I'm just waiting until you're ready for me to walk.
Okay. Well, we gotta stay in that. We gotta stay in that spot, like I said. So left foot in front, right foot right in front of it, with your hands down by your sides. Okay.
I mean, I can't do it for 5 minutes. You know?
I understand. I'm gonna be quick.
I already have bad balance. My ears. I have problems with my ears, so I'm
Okay. Well, I'm gonna make it quick.
I'm already off balance with my ears and stuff.
Okay.
I have
Well,
really bad problems.
just stay like that. I'm gonna make it quick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps. Hold on, don't go yet.
I'm looking ready and
I understand, but I never said go. So we're gonna stay in that. We're gonna get back in that starting position.
let me know when you're ready.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps all the way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way till you get to 9. Then you're gonna take a series of small steps with your foot still on the line. And you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps all the way back, counting out loud. Okay? Do you understand?
I mean, it's asking for a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Don't look at me.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sorry. My arms are hurting.
No, you're okay.
I'm just really thanking God that I can go home to my doctor tonight and pick her up in the morning.
All right. Do you want to continue?
I don't.
You don't?
I mean, if you need me to,
It's 100% up to you,
I
man.
feel like that I can drive home.
Okay, it's 100% up to you if you want to continue.
I feel like I can drive home.
Okay. Do you want to continue doing some field exercise?
I did 2 tests.
Okay, I'm asking you. Do you want to continue?
Do I need to?
It's your choice.
I'm asking you.
It's your choice. It's a yes or no.
I'm asking you, do I need to do 2, 3 tests?
It's up to you whether you want to continue or not.
If I deny it, what will happen?
So we have to go based on what we're observing and everything.
He's going to explain all that to you.
So if you say yes, you want to continue, we're going to continue. If you say no, we have to go on what we've observed and
Did I pass?
So like I said before, it's not a pass or fail. It's not a pass or fail.
I go home.
This is to see if you're eligible to drive home, if you're able to.
2 tests. I'm not trying to get hard.
So do you want to continue or no?
I'm not trying to get hard.
I need a yes or no.
Does that tell me if my license is suspended or not?
I have to go off of what I've observed. If you want to continue, then we'll keep going. If not, then we have to make a decision.
Is my license suspended or not if I continue or not?
What he's explaining to you is the truth. He's not trying to railroad you or anything like that. What
I did 2 tests. I'm wondering if I passed.
well, the exercises are not pass or fail. Okay? We go based off observation.
I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I hear you, brother, and I'm trying to explain to you. We go based off observation. So there's clues on each exercise that we're looking for, not specifically whether you did this correctly or not, because there's not a pass-fail. It's literally clues that we look for per exercise. There are more exercises if you'd like to continue. If you don't, that's a decision you're going to have to make, and he would have to go based off what he saw.
I mean,
what
I
he's trying to do.
can call a tow company right now, tow my truck, and I can call somebody to come pick me up right now.
Well, that's going to be up to Officer Rubinstein.
And I don't have to drive. I can call somebody right now.
It's up to you.
This
Do you?
is what I'm trying to do.
I understand that, but I'm trying to tell you that it's up to him. He's the investigating
I'm
officer.
not trying to drive.
I hear you. Well, you did drive. That's the problem.
Yes.
Yes,
And I
a
was
good
talking,
distance.
I was talking to her.
And look how many. Those are
understand.
still open and full.
I understand.
Okay.
So-
Those are all of hers.
Okay.
This is the last time I'm going to ask.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Do you,
Go ahead.
do
Yes.
you want to continue?
Yes.
Okay. So this next one is going to be called the one leg stand. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to stand on this line with our feet together, hands down by our sides. Okay.
I know you're training.
All right. So feet together, hands down by your side. So we're going to stay like that until I tell you otherwise. Okay. Do you understand? When I tell you, you're going to raise either leg, your choice, right or left, whatever you're more comfortable with, approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Okay, so it's about the height of a soda can. You're going to raise it up and
Like
point your
about a step
toes.
forward or just
Nope,
this?
just like this.
like this? Or
So either or, left or right, you're going to raise it about 6 inches off the ground, and you're going to point your toes, and you're going to look at it. Okay? While holding that position, you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop. Okay? So you're going to raise your foot, point your toe, look at your toe. 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. Okay? Give me 1 second. I got to get my stopwatch out. All right, you ready? Which one are you going to raise?
left.
Your left. Okay. Go.
2001, 2002.
Remember 6 inches.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019.
All right, stop. All right, so do you want to continue? Yeah, I have to ask these after each one.
What if I say no?
Again, I have to go off of what I observed.
What if I say no?
I have to go off of what I observed.
I'm asking what happens if I say no.
And I'm telling you, I have to make a decision on everything that I have observed.
3 tests.
They're exercises.
Exercise tests.
So, yes or no?
Yes.
Alright, so what we're going to do, this next one's called finger to nose. So we're going to stay with our feet together, and we're going to put our hands out like a T, and we're going to put our head all the way back as far as it can go, and we're going to close our eyes. When I tell you, either hand, so if I say right, you're going to take your right finger, and you're going to touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose. I should not have to tell you to bring it back. It should be a touch and back. Okay? You understand the instructions? Alright, let's go ahead and Alright, now close your eyes. So, left, right, left, right, right, left, Alright, you can put your arms down. Alright, well, you don't have anything on you I have to worry about, do you? Guns,
No.
knives, anything in your pockets?
Nothing pointy. Phone, wallet.
Just your phone, wallet, your
wallet's
vape?
in my truck. Just receipt.
Okay. So, listen,
No.
listen, brother.
Please, don't do this to me. I got a 2-year-old daughter.
I hear you.
Please.
And you also have the firearm.
Please don't do this to me. I have a 2-year-old daughter. Please don't do this to me. Please. I've already had a DUI. You're gonna ruin my fucking career. You're gonna ruin my career, please. Please don't. I'm gonna lose my job. I'm expecting her week. I'm gonna lose. Please.
Huh?
Please. I'm gonna lose my job. I'm gonna lose my job.
Take that. Turn our line. Yeah.
I'm gonna lose my job, please. It's for my kid.
50 to Eustis, the male's 1015. Alright.
Let me find out.
What's your name?
I'm gonna wash my stuff, please.
You look too hard, bro.
Can I at least lock my truck up and shit?
Listen, I'll give you bonnet out. What it is, what it is. Give you bonnet out. So.
I got the money. Can I lock my truck up and stuff?
In a minute. We'll lock it up for you.
My lesson, you got it. Good.
Oh, what's your name? That's not you. That picture's not you.
I forgot it.
I'm just setting these here, boss man. I'm gonna come get them.
Oh, that makes
Alright, come on.
Don't even look. Wait, you'll be alright. Hey, I got you.
Please, do my job.
Oh, hold on. Give me 1 second. I don't know how these
Please, my
these
job.
napkins got back here. Go ahead and have a seat.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Firearm was found in the first door pocket, so when he opened it, I didn't see it until he
Got you,
opened the
don't
door.
worry about it.
And it's in a holster with no button. I haven't even ran the zero yet.
Okay, you have it.
Oh, not really.
I got you.
They already run them for
Yeah, I didn't remember what they said.
signal 19.
I don't remember what they said, though.
50 to Eustis. What was the signal 14 on reference to the 22s, 10, 15 for felonies?
Right here. Can't see it.
I just want to fucking cigarette.
Then 4 open containers were on a full button. Minutes before.
I feel bad for him, but
I mean, listen, he was all over the road. You know that.
no, I really didn't pay attention to be honest with you, but
Man went off the road.
Richard?
Richard, right? Richard? Yeah, Richard.
That's 10-4.
that ain't what I was doing. I hate what I was doing, to be honest with you. I mean, at the end of the day, like, feel bad.
I'm not.
50 to Eustis, also 65 signal 0.
What happens is, though, drive go home and ask you.
Yeah, if something bad would have happened, I'd feel bad. I'd say no, but
I would feel a lot worse then than now. I feel bad, but I feel a lot worse if something would have happened. You know what I'm saying?
10-4. It's going to be for a Ruger
that's all I mean. I owe you $100.
EC9S
Every other
Echo
just because I told
Charlie
my
9
kid,
Sierra.
I feel bad, you know.
Serial number
First kid,
459
Everybody has kids.
5 6435.
Had to, but like they're like this. My daughter's like number one in the state right now for fighting.
For what?
For fighting.
Oh, nice.
For But I'm gonna have to like Mike and I get all the way to Lake Shore, motherfucker. No, I'm not riding in the back seat. I'm not trying
Oh, I
to
got
get
a
in the
dog
back
back there.
Yeah, you ain't riding this
I
one.
got a dog.
Oh, we should be friends. I don't really care.
No, she's.
10-4.
I don't know. I'm not riding with him. Hell no.
No, I said I'd bring someone.
No. This Co's got
Another one?
10-15.
Bring a what?
Yep.
So what charges do you have so I know how much falling out?
As of right, huh?
Driving under the influence?
Yeah, driving under the influence and carrying a concealed. So 2 misdemeanors. So $2,000. What do you want done with the car, man?
Can I have someone come pick it up?
Do you have, or is someone able to come pick it up?
Yes.
All right. Let me get your phone.
You have my phone.
Hold on, I'll roll the window down so you.
I want you out. I'll call fucking Honda right now. Don't worry about it. Don't cry about it. It is what it is. Hey, listen. It is what it is. You did that. Deal with it. Fix it. Period. Alright, well. Love you. But I'm gonna bond you out though. You learn. Learn your lesson.
I'm gonna go back and make him.
He'll be eligible
It doesn't matter.
depending on the outcome of the breathalyzer, if he
You
chooses
should have
to,
never fucking blew it.
if he chooses to blow or not.
Don't blow.
Depending on the outcome. The jail has a set time frame that they have to go off of those numbers.
Right.
Then he'll be eligible for bond after that set time.
It's like 8 hours.
They have to go off of the numbers and
Right.
the totality of the circumstance. The jail then will
You guys did your
calculate.
job. Like, I'm not mad at you guys. We're not mad at all. But don't blow when you get there. And do none of that shit. You'll lose your license for a year. That's it. But you're gonna pay as much. Sorry, I'm not trying to be disrespectful because you did your job. Like, I'm at all. But it's okay if I get your wallet.
Yeah, can I also send a text real fast?
We're not going to send text, but I
Make
can.
sure my daughter's picked up in the morning.
All right, so
We
Oh,
here.
can call somebody for that.
I want to make a text.
Motherfucker, you goddamn got that shit behind me, mother. Scared the shit out of me.
Illegal.
Huh?
Illegal.
Fully legal? You better, bitch. I was riding with you.
It can be one in favor. They can't do nothing.
What do you want? Do you want to call your baby mom and make sure your child's picked up or not?
Yeah, well,
Or do you want me to write
I
her?
want to send a text.
You know, she's
So
gonna be upset.
like I said, we're not sending texts. We're making phone calls to get the truck.
It's taking me 2 seconds to send a text.
No, we're not. All right. He said, wait.
Speak
Listen,
to
hold. Stop
Oh,
talk.
I'm fine.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
My man said you ain't sending text.
Okay.
Making phone.
So you can either make a phone call or we can say screw it and tow it.
I'll leave a voicemail.
Okay. Make a call.
What's your baby mama's name, just in case?
Sharon. Just trying my face.
Sharon what? Sharon what?
Right now. I'm about to click the button in.
What is it?
I'm about to click the button in and click it back. My wife's not doing it. Hey Siri, text mother.
You want her to take your wallet?
Pick Shaylin up tomorrow. Send.
We ain't doing this shit. You can hold my
You just, yeah.
Who are you gonna call to get the truck? So I'll just hit Siri.
I'm trying to think. They'll leave it there and somebody will pick it up in the morning.
So if we leave it there, Racetrack's probably gonna tow it because it's in front of a pump.
Like help, like I can push it forward or Just help me. You got me, okay? Just help me with like bare minimum at least.
Let me go talk to my supervisor. He wants to know if we can at least move it.
Who's coming to pick it up? There's a gun in there. We can't.
That's rude. That's your wallet.
I'll wait for it.
He says he doesn't have anybody.
Yeah, unless you want to take the gun to safekeeping, that big ass gun, that rifle, that's the only thing.
Just take it and let him go. Just take the gun.
Just let me go, please.
You ain't going.
Just let me get a ride. I can call somebody right now.
No tolerance for DUI, Bubba.
I can call somebody right now.
I give you $50
So
right now.
do you not have someone to come and get the car?
Yeah, I can.
I already will pop all hours.
Tomorrow.
No, it needs to be within the next 30 minutes. Huh? Did you take pictures of them?
No.
I'd take pictures of them before.
12 hours. 12 hours.
I'm on 12 hours right now.
It needs to be within 30 minutes.
Hey, you want to take the rifle and just wait for someone to pick it
I'm
up?
not fucking racing right now.
We're gonna have to. Because he's saying no one's going to be able to come get it.
Eat it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I already have things. So you were coming so I can walk home. Alright, well, I'm not walking home. That's alright. No. You're gonna get it now? Alright, so then we'll be here for like 6 hours.
Talk to
Hold on, wait, I'm gonna walk inside.
them, see if you can
Hold on.
pull it into a...
I'm gonna tell
He said his narrative's done?
$53 used to 65, the serial number for signal 0. It's going to be for Palmetto State Armories AK. Serial number AK either 8 or Bravo 026529.
Recap, one more. Coming
more.
southbound,
So
goes
a
off
total
the
of
road
8.
twice.
So
When he
4
turns into
open,
Lake Hills
4
Plaza,
unopened.
hop the curb, I light him up, pulls in here. As I approach passenger side, you hear the Bud Light. And then when I asked him how much he had to drink, he had 4, and then when you got here, that's when I asked him to step out. That gun was in the pocket in plain view. I asked him if he had a CCW, he said he does not. And then the rest is you. And there was 4 open containers found, and then 6 more, I think, in the